Alright, we are coming from Braga and Sam TV. As we am just so any promise the blogger. Paddlemore, and maybe a trim or a $1 once and seminal. When you say copy more critia, or critiska, live on camera, or check. You say watch a video in the bath, some touch them now what you say. It's a video anywhere we are, you didn't come.
Any sort of undesired development that will crop up here. One thing we can say is, okay, so what's your name?
No, I'm not here to talk.
But you hear it. So I mean you can see that the process is ongoing. Okay.
Now that was Paddlemore. This guy claimed to be neutral somewhere in 2024. Now on Namuka say on the a businessman and until the Georgian said dollar beba from Nanija Woti no akoye. Every businessman be a dream. Sanity. Now, in the video I just showed you, this same guy in Akwetia, Orcheska live on camera, camera capture. But this guy, in 2025 year, by May, said this thing about dollar. Kutia sema Paddlemore, editu jano, area, ibedin kono.
Baby, I can tell you as a businessman, by the end of May, oh dollar never my main country mo eya muntie ni ekoso ne anhihye ekoso ankofo di egu akwan so who kita dollar now your dollar ho adwuma as a businessman. Listen, you better change your dollar into cedi. I'm telling you, by the end of this month, from where me I'm sitting, I can tell you boldly, say dollar no ebeba 9 cedi. Enti mo guo dollar go amo feel say oh we maybe you don't know what is happening in the world, and maybe you don't also know what is happening in Ghana. When it comes to gold board, you don't know, so you have to learn. Dollar ne de massa me say by the end of this month May, dollar ne bedru 9 cedis. Into a businessman, this is the time for you to think before you lose your capital. I'm telling you. Me can't chire munti monfa nkwa adwendwen mu na monwe ho ntem yesa bebre no abeboka wukuma dollar no by the end of May e bedru 9 cedi monfa ntro nto ba bia e beba mpepebe medamase baba.
So you see, this was the same guy who said all these things about dollar. Now dollar no atate cost so and I'm now can say 12 cedis plus I got 13 cedis. It's just John Dramani Mahama can say the dollar is between 10 and 12. Now, no, I brought 12 no kunenim. And see, me, what I'm saying is very simple. Say all per se, we your politics are. You will name some waha. Because this guy came to Akwetia with the member of parliament for Ay3k3 South. Baby, another quadrum money MP no. Now downfall any guy now. Oye MP onom so we kaya 2024 abre to aba na oka MP no ama mo che nkoko onye sa video ni da sa video no eno eni ye sa video no embra
abusuan he papa ye wada o screen no so your friend Paddlemore or very vocal on TikTok boko TikTok na ni abre no waso camera no wo kwan I watch him sometimes. Even I've posted this video on my Facebook, I think some time ago. No, didi mabunu na tem ana mo jimi nti na mo kwajiska wa pipi woni makoto aba momo ana mamu njimi kwajiska mamu koto aba mobia enti you would think say mabunu no obi o madwen mabunu no dom. Along the line I got to find out say was our NDC ni and you have be it's few days to elections ono ne gina NDC for campa ojina one of the constituencies are omo che nkokọ ne moma manfo. So the very thing I all preach it here, the MPP company, or no NDC company, there is doing the same thing. Listen to me. Time will expose everybody. That is one thing I believe in. To say the first will be a so camera, Ghana no nyabotre. You got to find out why or what the reason why that person is doing that. They for baby nam kromte to any paso baby no. Monfa margin stadium, you understand? Majority of these people, no, it is not because of Ghana, no mo pese koso and as a Ghana niti no mo ye no. It is because of their business. So when this power, the business be flourish, especially those of omo wa kwantu omo de niema ba fie omo de cars ba fie kra niema ba ye business no send this ba power omo was certain advantages and then chances for their businesses to flourish. So an MPP was ebinum so de ekoso. That is what is going on. Openi Paddlemore oba no to TikTok we dey to any person. The very thing I all preach against say MPP for ya bone no. Ojina NDC for camp and omo check mo. I stopped taking these guys, some of them serious, when I got to know what they are really doing or what they really stand for or what they stand to achieve. It is absolutely wrong, bad, and for all these years. Ebedu elections, I no makoche mo, no makoche sika, no makoche niema mamamfo to vote for them. After elections, no. Some of these guys will come out and preach against them and talk against them. But one thing I've studied and I've noticed, they say they only preach against if it is MPP. MPP 4 yes I no preach against it. MPP 4 chase can MPP 4 chain miania. You see them quickly reacting, posting them on their pages, including some of my own so-called activists. To any person so almost say these things MPP near they'll quickly post it and then make noise about it. But the same thing and this is so yeah, but they will side as if they've not seen it. Time will expose you all. If it is wrong, let us condemn it all. But let's not condemn A and go and stand at B and do the same thing and come and justify it. Shame unto you, Paddlemore. With all due respect to you, sometimes I watch you enlighten the youth in terms of religious understanding, but politically, let the people know, say, me and this and I'm a businessman, and me person this papa and I'm a business coso. That is why I'm here today to sorry. Tell them, be honest to the people. Don't come and condemn what is going on in Camp A, and meanwhile you are in the midst of the same thing going on in Camp B. Time will expose you all.
So if this guy ever catch us say you neutral from day one, seen who? Because I've proven to you the reason why this guy is a full 100% NDC member, and now he's out there sharing money because the NDC government is in power and they are just misusing the public fund. I blame the people who believe in this guy. I blame you people because about saying Obama, these people will use their mind on you. And after that, me know me and now I be catch this or my name. Whilst these people are playing with your mind, this so-called neutral, they are the ones that always who say, "Baby, I'm not claiming say omo nka ho no." At the end of the day, na ohoka no meding, omo free omo ba. I'm telling you. So me, I'm saying this, Ghana how on. Obi on ma oye neutral. Me mo obi ndada. I'm telling you. Obi on ma oye neutral. Obi obi wedding. Owo. Obi a political party are joining. To mo obi ndada say na me dey me neutral. No one is neutral. No one is neutral. How the Ghana same TV? Ediya, ejiso, and the promise the